Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Glad to see you here. Today I want to share with you the information about how to buy Bitcoin, how to buy other cryptocurrencies to make it safe, easy, fast, and on a safety platform. Okay, so I'm using this platform. It's called an IQ option, and I left the link in the description panel of this video so you can easily find it, and you can use this link to buy and sell cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin itself. So what do you need to do? You need to pass the registration. It's not complicated. It's absolutely simple. First name, last name, country, phone number, email, passwords. Of course, you confirming that you're 18 or more. So you're making your purchases absolutely legal. And you open an account. It's absolutely free, of course. Or to log in, you can use the Facebook or Google accounts, and of course you can download the application for iOS or Android right here on the on this site. So the point is, when you filling up these forms and you open in an account, you'll get a notification on your email box. You confirm in your email, and after that you'll be able to make your first deposit. You'll be able to make purchases of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies. This is absolutely easy, and you'll handle it for sure. I'm already on the platform, so I want to show you what's happening right here on the dashboard of this platform, and you will see which buttons to press to buy Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Here in the left top corner, you can see the list of the tools. This is not only the cryptocurrency platform, this is the platform for making money, actually. And you have here options: forex, stocks, crypto, commodities, and so on. So you need to find the crypto, and here you have the 26 positions that you can make money on. There's most interesting cryptocurrencies right here: Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash, and so on. If we're talking about how to buy Bitcoin, here you go. I have a couple positions on Bitcoin. Let's check what's happening. By one of them I have a profit, by others I have a loss for the moment, but the price is going up, and the price will be much more higher than right now, because you see the rally of 2017 right here, and it's not a bad positions for the moment, and a lot of experts saying that Bitcoin will rise in price and other cryptocurrencies rise in price. So to buy Bitcoin, you just need to press buy, or you need to press sell, depending on which way the price will go. There's interesting and fantastic widget right here in this platform, and I love this platform for that widget, because right here you can see how all the people who are trading right now on this platform making their decisions. So a lot of people pressing buy button, and they buy in Bitcoin because they know that price will go up 70%. And you can, if you don't have your own opinion about that, you can use this this widget, and it's pretty cool and pretty easy to buy Bitcoin or to sell Bitcoin for some amount of money. You need to make a deposit first, of course. Then you change the amount of your investment right here, and I want to show you that it's pretty easy. Of course, there's a small fee. You change the amount, let it be $1,000. You change the amount, you press in buy or sell, depending on which way the price will go. The price will go up, so I'm pressing the buy button. There's a small fee that platform taking for all the actions with the crypto and with the blockchain, and it's pretty complicated if to dig in. And that's it. I have a Bitcoin. There's my total BTC purchased, total investment, overnight pending, okay, and current profit for all of my purchases of Bitcoin. Right now I have minus 14%, but I know that the price will go, and in the short or long time I will have a profit from it. So that's it, and you have plenty of tools right here in this platform. You have like cool list of cryptocurrencies that you can make purchases on. Let's for example here for 500, let's buy a little bit of Bitcoin Cash. So that's pretty simple, guys. If you're still thinking that it's complicated and you need to know a lot of technical knowledges or something like that, it is not. It's easy, not complicated at all, and you'll handle it for sure. So if you want to buy Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies, use the link in the description panel of this video, go to the platform, pass the registration, and make your first investment in crypto, because the crypto is the future, and the future is now. And if you think about it a little bit, couple seconds, you'll understand that this type of investment is pretty cool, pretty easy, and this platform, my suggestion is this platform, because I'm using this platform and it's not new, it's pretty old and reliable platform that gives you opportunity to make purchases of any cryptocurrency that you want. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed, hope this was useful, and do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. This is the main point of all of my videos, and I wish you big profits. See you in the next video. Bye.